Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, Mathematics, Grade 4, Quarter 1, Lesson 4. Our topic for today is about perimeter of composite figures composed of triangles and quadrilaterals. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. Find the perimeter of quadrilaterals that are not squares or rectangles. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to first, give the meaning of composite figures. Second, give examples of composite figures. Third, solve for the perimeter of composite figures. And fourth, follow the correct formulas in solving for the perimeter of composite figures composed of triangles. Day 1. Let's have a short review. Instructions: study the figures below. Use the given side length to calculate its perimeter. Choose your answers inside the box below. Here are the choices. A. 35 centimeters. B. 66 centimeters. C. 22 centimeters. D. 36 centimeters. And E. 28 centimeters. Here's numbers 1 and 2. Numbers 3 and 4. Number 5. And here are the answers. Number 1, D. Number 2, C. 3A. 4E. 5B. Imagine you are designing a garden in the shape of a composite figure made up of triangles. If each triangle in your design has sides of 2 meters, 3 meters, and 4 meters, how would you calculate the total length of the garden's boundary? Each triangle has sides, 2 meters, 3 meters, and 4 meters. So, one triangle is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9 meters. That is the perimeter. If triangles are connected, some sides are shared. Shared sides are not counted in the boundary. Here's the solution. If you have 3 triangles and they share 2 sides or 2 meters each, total is equal to 3 times 9 equals 27. Shared, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Boundary, 27 minus 4 is equal to 23 meters. Unlocking content vocabulary. Let us arrange the jumbled letters. First, the total distance around the edge of a two-dimensional shape. The answer is perimeter. Second, a figure with 3 edges and 3 vertices. It is one of the basic shapes in geometry. The answer is triangle. Third, the measurement of something from end to end. It is the longest dimension of an object. The answer is length. Fourth is a shape that is made up of two or more simple geometric shapes, such as triangles, rectangles, circles, and so on. The answer is composite. Fifth is any shape made of lines, curves, or both. It can be flat like a square or triangle, or solid like a cube or ball. The answer is figure. Day 2. Subtopic number 1. Perimeter of composite figures composed of triangles. Let's read a problem. Mr. Rabang bought a cartolina for his math class. He needs two triangles of the same size without wasting any part of the cartolina. How will he divide it? What will be the perimeter of each triangle? And here are the questions that you need to answer. Let's answer. Number 1, who bought cartolina for his math class? The answer, Mr. Rabang. Number 2, how will he cut the cartolina into two triangles without wasting any part? The answer, by equal triangles or two right triangles. Number 3, what do you call the figure cut into two equal triangles like Mr. Rabang did to the cartolina he bought? The answer, composite figures. Number 4, what do you think is the distance around each triangle? The answer, 200 centimeters. Number 5, what will be the perimeter of the two triangles? The answer, 240 centimeters. Number 6, how many triangles are there in the figure? The answer, 2 triangles. Number 7, what figure was formed when the two triangles were combined? The answer, rectangle. Number 8, how do we solve for the perimeter of two triangles? The answer, to solve for the perimeter of the two triangles above, first, calculate the perimeter of triangle A. Then, calculate the perimeter of triangle B. Then, get the sum of the two triangles. Since triangles have three sides, follow this formula. Triangle A equals side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 or S1 plus S2 plus S3. Triangle A equals 50 centimeters, 70 centimeters plus 80 centimeters. So triangle A is equal to 200 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of triangle A is 200 centimeters. Then, calculate the perimeter of triangle B following the same formula. Triangle B equals side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 or S1 plus S2 plus S3. Triangle B equals 50 centimeters plus 70 centimeters plus 80 centimeters. Triangle B is equal to 200 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of triangle B is 200 centimeters. Now, add the perimeter of the two triangles. P is equal to triangle A, 200 centimeters, plus triangle B, 200 centimeters. P equals 200 centimeters plus 200 centimeters is equal to 400 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of the two triangles is 400 centimeters. Example number 1. The grade 4 pupils of Pantay Elementary School were asked to draw a rhombus of two equal triangles with a side of 15 cm. What is the perimeter of the two triangles? What is the perimeter of the composite figure? For triangle A, P equals 15 centimeters plus 15 centimeters plus 15 centimeters. P is equals to 45 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of triangle A is equal to 45 centimeters. For triangle B, P is equal to 15 centimeters plus 15 centimeters plus 15 centimeters. P is equal to 45 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of triangle B is 45 centimeters. Now, get the perimeters of the two triangles. P is equal to 45 centimeters plus 45 centimeters. P is equal to 90 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of the two triangles is 90 centimeters. But, if we are solving for the perimeter of the composite figure, which is the rhombus, we add all the sides around the figure using this formula. P equals S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4, since the rhombus has 4 sides. P equals 15 centimeters plus 15 centimeters plus 15 centimeters plus 15 centimeters. P equals 60 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of the composite figure is 60 centimeters. Example number 2. Compute the perimeter of the composite figure below. Find also the perimeter of triangle A and triangle B. Triangle A and triangle B have the same measurements of their sides, which is 6 centimeters. Triangle A, P equals 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters, or P equals 3 times side. P is equal to 18 centimeters, or P equals 3 times 6 centimeters equals 18 centimeters. For triangle B, P equals 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters, or P equals 3 times side. P equals 18 centimeters, or P equals 3 times 6 centimeters, P is equal to 18 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the two triangles? Triangle A plus triangle B. P equals 18 centimeters plus 18 centimeters. P is equals to 36 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of the two triangles is 36 centimeters. But if we are solving for the perimeter of the composite figure, which is the rhombus, we add all the sides around the figure using this formula. P equals S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4, since the rhombus has 4 sides. P equals 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters. P equals 24 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of the composite figure is 24 centimeters. Solve me. Part 1, study the composite figure below, then answer the question that follow. Choose only the letter of the correct answer and write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1, how many triangles are there in the figure? Number 2, what are the measurements of the sides of each triangle? Number 3, what is the perimeter of triangle A? Number 4, what is the perimeter of triangle B? Number 5, what is the number sentence for the perimeter of the composite figure? Number 6, what is the perimeter of the composite figure composed of two triangles? And here are the answers. Number 1, C. Number 2, B. 3, C. 4, C. 5, A. 6, B. Part 2. Solve for the perimeter of the following composite figures. Show your solutions. Choose any strategy of the following. Number 1. What formula is to be used in computing the perimeter of the two triangles? Number 2. What is the perimeter of triangle A? Number 3. What is the perimeter of triangle B? Number 4. What is the perimeter of the two triangles? And number 5. What is the perimeter of the rhombus? Here are the answers. Number 1, P equals 3 times side, or P equals 3 times S, or P equals 3S. Number 2, 36 centimeters. Number 3, 36 centimeters. Number 4, 72 centimeters. And number 5, 48 centimeters. Part 3. Study the figures below and solve for the perimeter. Choose only the letter of the correct answer and write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Choose any strategy which you think is easier for you to use. Number 1. What is the perimeter of triangle A? Number 2. What is the perimeter of triangle B? Number 3, what is the perimeter of triangle C? Number 4, what is the perimeter of triangle A and C? Number 5, what is the perimeter of the composite figure composed of 3 triangles? And here's the answer. Number 1, D. Number 2, D. 3, C. 4, A. 5, B. Day 3. Subtopic number 2. Perimeter of composite figures composed of quadrilaterals. Study the figure below. Trapezoid A, S1 equals 3 centimeters, S2, 9 centimeters, S3, 5 centimeters, S4, 8 centimeters. Trapezoid B, S1 equals 12 centimeters, S2, 6 centimeters, S3, 5 centimeters, S4, 8 centimeters. Here are the questions that we need to answer. Let's answer. Number 1, how many trapezoids can you see in the figure? Answer, 2 trapezoids. Number 2, what kind of figure is a trapezoid? Answer, quadrilateral with 1 pair of parallel sides. Number 3, what are the measurements of the sides of the 2 trapezoids? Answer, trapezoid A, 3 cm, 9 cm, 5 cm, and 8 cm. Trapezoid B, 12 cm, 6 cm, 5 cm, and 8 cm. Number 4, how do we solve for the perimeter of the 2 trapezoids? Answer, add all the sides of each trapezoid. Perimeter of trapezoid A, 3 cm plus 9 cm plus 5 cm plus 8 cm is equal to 25 cm. Perimeter of trapezoid B, 12 cm plus 6 cm plus 5 cm plus 8 cm equals 31 cm. Number 5, how do we solve for the perimeter of the composite figure? Answer, add all the outer sides only. Do not count the shared side between 2 trapezoids. Shared side is S3 equals 5 cm. Front both trapezoids. Count it once. So, add all unique sides. 3 cm plus 9 cm plus 8 cm, or from A, plus 12 cm plus 6 cm plus 8 cm from B equals 46 cm. How to solve for the perimeter of the 2 trapezoids and the perimeter of the whole composite figure. Since the figure has 2 quadrilaterals, follow these steps. Number 1, identify all the quadrilaterals that make up the composite figure, trapezoid A and trapezoid B. Number 2, for each trapezoid, find the length of its sides. Trapezoid A, S1 equals 3 cm, S2, 9 cm, S3, 5 cm, S4, 8 cm. Trapezoid B, S1, 12 cm, S2, 6 cm, S3, 5 cm, and S4, 8 cm. Number 3, add up all the sides of each trapezoid. This gives you the perimeter of each trapezoid. For trapezoid A, P equals S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4. P equals 3 cm plus 9 cm plus 5 cm plus 8 cm. P equals 25 cm. Therefore, the perimeter of trapezoid A is 25 cm. For trapezoid B, P equals S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4. P equals 12 cm plus 6 cm plus 5 cm plus 8 cm. P equals 36 cm. Therefore, the perimeter of trapezoid B is 31 cm. Number 4, then sum up all the perimeters of the two trapezoids. This gives you the perimeter of the two quadrilaterals. Since the perimeter of trapezoid A is 25 cm and the perimeter of trapezoid B is 31 cm, P equals 25 cm plus 31 cm. P equals 56 cm. Therefore, the perimeter of the two trapezoids is 56 cm. Number 5, but if we are solving for the perimeter of the composite figure, which is the trapezoid, we add all the sides around the figure using this formula. P equals length 1 plus length 2 plus width 1 plus width 2. P equals 15 cm plus 15 cm plus 5 cm plus 5 cm. P equals 30 cm plus 10 cm. P equals 40 cm. Therefore, the perimeter of the composite figure above is 40 cm. Example number 1. Square A and square B have 4 equal sides of 5 cm. Find the perimeter of square A, square B, and the composite figure. Since the composite figure has 2 equal squares and has the same length of its sides, we can also use this formula. P equals 4x side or P equals 4x S or P equals 4S. Example for square A. Side equals 5 centimeters. P equals 4 times side. P equals 4 times 5 centimeters. P equals 20 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of square A is 20 centimeters. For square B, P equals 4 times side. P equals 4 times 5 cm. P equals 20 cm. Therefore, the perimeter of square B is also 20 centimeters. So, if you get the sum of the perimeter of the two squares, square A plus square B, P equals 20 centimeters plus 20 centimeters. P equals 40 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of the two squares is 40 centimeters. But if we are solving for the perimeter of the composite figure composed of two squares, add all the sides. P equals length 1 plus length 2 plus width 1 plus width 2. P equals 10 cm plus 10 cm plus 5 cm plus 5 cm. P equals 20 centimeters plus 10 centimeters. P equals 30 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of the composite figure is 30 centimeters. Example number 2. Find the perimeter of the composite figure, figure A, B, and C. For figure A, what are the measurements of its sides? Figure A, length 8 meters, width 6 meters. Simply add the measurements of the sides. P equals length 1 plus length 2 plus width 1 plus width 2. P equals 8m plus 8m plus 6m plus 6m. P equals 16 cm plus 12 cm. The answer is P equals 28 meters. Figure A, length 8 meters, width 6 meters. Therefore, the perimeter of figure A is 28 meters. For figure B, side equals 4m. P equals side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. P equals 4m plus 4m plus 4m plus 4m. P equals 16m. Therefore, the perimeter of figure B is 16m. For figure C, side equals 4m, P equals side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. P equals 4m plus 4m plus 4m plus 4m. P equals 16m. Therefore, the perimeter of figure C is also 16 meters. What is the perimeter of the three quadrilaterals? Add all the perimeter of three figures. P equals figure A plus figure B plus figure C. P equals 28m plus 16m plus 16m. P equals 60m. Therefore, the perimeter of the three quadrilaterals is 60 meters. But if we are solving for the perimeter of the whole composite figure, we just simply add all the sides using this formula. P equals length 1 plus length 2 plus width 1 plus width 2. P equals 10m plus 10m plus 8m plus 8m. P equals 20m plus 16m. P equals 36 meters. Therefore, the perimeter of the whole composite figure is 36 meters. Example number 3. Determine the perimeter of A figure A, B figure B, C figure C, and D composite figure. Given figure A, length 10 centimeters, width 9 centimeters. Figure B, side 1 5 centimeters, side 2 9 centimeters, side 3 10 centimeters. Figure C, side 1 5 centimeters, side 2 9 centimeters, side 3, 10 centimeters. Given figure A, add the measurements of the sides. The answer is P equals 38 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of figure A is 38 centimeters. Given figure B, P equals side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. P equals 24. Therefore, the perimeter of figure B is 24 centimeters. Figure C. P equals 5 cm plus 9 cm plus 10 cm. P equals 24 cm. Therefore, the perimeter of figure C is also 24 centimeters. Then, add all the perimeter of the three figures. Figure A plus figure B plus figure C. P equals 38 cm plus 24 cm plus 24 cm. P equals 86 cm. Therefore, the perimeter of the figure is 86 centimeters. But, if we are solving for the perimeter of the whole composite figure, we add all the sides around the figure. That is 48 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of the whole composite figure above is 48 centimeters. Lesson activity number 3. Study the figures below. Use the given side length to calculate its perimeter. Here are the questions that we also need to answer. And here are the answers for numbers 1 to number 5. Part 2. Study the figure below, then calculate the perimeter and answer the questions. And here are the questions that we need to answer. Here are the answers for part number 2. Part 3. Study the figure below and calculate the perimeter of each quadrilateral to find the perimeter of the whole composite figure. The measurements of the whole figure are given below. Analyze critically before answering the questions below. Number 1. What are the measurements of the sides of the square? Number 2. What formula can we use in solving for the perimeter of the square? Number 3. What is the perimeter of the square? Number 4. What are the measurements of the sides of the two triangles? Number 5. What is the perimeter of the triangle figure A? Number 6. What is the perimeter of the triangle figure C? Number 7. What is the perimeter of the two triangles? Number 8. What is the perimeter of the square and figure C? Number 9. What is the perimeter of figure A and the square? Number 10. What is the perimeter of the composite figure? And here's the answer for part 2. Grade composite figure art. Materials needed: pre-made cardboard with push pins or foam board with push pins. Push pins, colored string or yarn, rulers, pencils, and scissors. Create composite shapes instructions. First, give each student a piece of grade paper. Second, draw and cut out several basic shapes on the grade paper. Third, using the grid lines as a guide, use a ruler to measure each side of their composite shape. Fourth, add up the length of all sides to find the perimeter of the composite shape. Fifth, color their composite shapes and the surrounding areas using markers or crayons. Sixth, write the calculated perimeter and any additional notes on the colored paper. Seventh, facilitate a class discussion where students share their composite shapes and explain why they calculated the perimeter or how they calculated the perimeter. Learners' takeaways. How did breaking down these composite figures into simpler shapes help in calculating the perimeter accurately? Reflection on learning. Think about a real-world scenario where you might need to find the perimeter of a composite figure composed of triangles, such as designing a piece of art or planning a layout. How would understanding the properties of triangles help you in accurately determining the perimeter? Day 4. Formative Assessment. Part 1. Study the figure below and calculate the perimeter of each quadrilateral to find the perimeter of the whole composite figure. The measurements of the full figure are given below. Analyze critically before answering the questions below. Number 1. What are the measurements of the sides of the trapezoid, figure A? Number 2. What are the measurements of the sides of the square? Number 3. What are the measurements of the sides of the rectangle, figure C? Number 4. What is the perimeter of the rectangle, figure C? Number 5. What is the perimeter of the composite figure composed of 3 quadrilaterals? And here are the answers. 1B, 2B, 3B, 4C, 5C. Part 2. Analyze the figure below. Answer the following questions. Measurements: 2 triangles, side 1 20 cm, side 2 18 cm, side 3 15 cm. 2 trapezoids, side 1 19 cm, side 2 18 cm, side 3 17 cm, and side 4 16 cm. And here are the questions. Number 1, what are the measurements of the sides of the triangles? Number 2, what is the perimeter of the triangle? Figure A. Number 3, what is the perimeter of the triangle? Figure B. Number 4, what are the measurements of the sides of the quadrilaterals? Number 5, what is the perimeter of the trapezoid? Figure C. And number 6, what is the perimeter of the trapezoid? Figure D. Number 7, what is the perimeter of the two triangles? Number 8, what is the perimeter of the two quadrilaterals? Number 9, what is the perimeter of the trapezoids and figure A? And number 10, what is the perimeter of the composite figure composed of two triangles and two quadrilaterals? And here are the answers. Number 1A, number 2D, 3D, 4B, 5C, 6B, 7C, 8A, 9D, and 10D. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!